Next we are going to discuss about solid state lasers. Solid state lasers use a solid mixed with a rare earth element. So this you can see solid state laser is nothing but. So solid state lasers is mixed with the rare earth element. So solid means that there is a active medium. This active medium, in that active medium, one host material is there, one active material is there. That active material is the material which will excite to the higher energy level, and then it comes to the metastable state, and from there it will come back to the ground state. So while coming back from the metastable state to the ground state, this lacing action will happen. So that you have to keep in mind. So host material will carry the active material. Active material will be of I will explain in the solid state laser. Some examples are there, then you will understand. So this host material here, the host material is in solid state laser. This solid is made up of glass crystals or glasses, because the pumping medium or energizing medium we are using, one some it will be of light source, which can send photons, which can stimulate the what excited electrons, and lacing action will happen. Or that light source we are mainly using for getting population inversion, to increase the number of electrons in the metastable state higher than the ground state. That is the primary purpose of the external light source or external energy source. It can be a light or it can be some other medium. Okay, so it has to be of crystals or glasses. So if you are using a light source as external power source, then the light should flow through it or pass through it. So it should be of glasses, that carrying medium of active center or active that exactly the ion which create that lacing action, that is called as the active center. Active medium comprises of the host and the active center. So that you have to keep in mind. So two things are there: medium active medium means, so there will be a box. So here they are saying it is made up of crystal glasses plus mixed with rare earth elements. Rare earth elements. So this rare earth element will be the active center, which creates the lacing action, and that active center is carried by this thing, what, glass, sorry, this glass. Okay, so for example, uh, see, neodymium doped yttrium aluminum garnet, this you have to by heart, this name. This Nd represents neodymium, and doped yttrium aluminum garnet. So this name, this is the totally, this is the active medium. This is the host material. Yttrium aluminum garnet is the host. It will carry this neodymium active. This is active center. Okay. So next we are going to explain that neodymium yttrium. That name is why this name you have to by heart. Yttrium aluminum garnet. Okay, this yttrium aluminum garnet. So here you can see the a rod made up of this particular combination. Okay, and there is a krypton arc lamp which will act as the um, power source. Okay, so now this is side view, you can see an ellipse. This is the side view of this setup. So again, it is an elliptical thing. Okay, so that is an elliptical thing. Then outside there is an ellipse. Then you can see this is the light will eject what, light sources, it will reflect on the surfaces and it reaches the rod. So that in this way, here what will happen? Population it will help this neodymium to excite to the metastable state, and as a result of that, population inversion will happen. One photon will be again one photon will stimulate the excited electron, and multiple it will generate lasing action. Lasing action means twin photon will be of same properties generated, and it can go further and hit the or stimulate other electrons, excited electrons, or electrons staying in the metastable state, and it will come down by ejecting the another set of photons. So lasing action will continue. That is the process happening in this particular neodymium YAG laser. Okay, so this is the thing. So open. So then this is the medium. Entire thing is there. Power source is there. Active center is there, and you can see mirrors. Partially reflecting mirror on one side, fully reflecting mirror on the other side. This is common. The only thing is that it is solid type laser. Okay, fine. So it is exciting. So this is you can hear it is clearly mentioned, but neodymium ions, these are active centers, and this is yttrium aluminum garnet is the host material. So active center. So what is happening there? It is exciting. It can excite the electrons to E6, E5, E4, and from either E6 to E3, then or E4, E5 to E4. Or that is E3 is the metastable state. Metastable state. From the metastable state, it will falls down to E2 by generating twin photon, and that lasing action happened. So energy levels of Nd3 plus ions, that is the active center. Okay.